We're going to fix the face of a cabinet door. Looks like a pallet ran into this and broke. It's very thin veneer, and this looks pretty roughed up. To lubricate the wood, I'll put a little bit of glue on top. Just work it all the way in over the entire area. Put glue on the back as well to make sure it's lubricated. Now from the back, I'll start pushing until I can start to feel it snap back into place. As we push back and forth, the glue softens everything up a bit. Put a little bit of water in there to keep it softening. The wood gets softer, it moves a little better. You want to be really careful with the veneer. This side of the crack is feeling pretty good. This is still substantially lifted. Add a little more water and just let it soften. At some point we're going to have to over flex it so it'll catch into the groove. See, as I push it, it's flexing out a bit. Now all the fibers are starting to go into the correct direction. We'll remove some of the excess glue. The glue is off the surface, but it's working into the crack. Still keep plenty of water on it. I'll keep working all those fibers so they mesh a little better. I'll clamp it between two pieces of wood. I'll use a piece of wax paper to protect the surface. A piece of wood on the front and the back. With it clamped tight, we'll let it dry overnight. We'll remove all the clamps, remove the wood and the wax paper. With everything flat, we'll add a little glue, start pushing all the fibers back in. We'll use a board to push the fibers flat. The flat block, I'll sand everything, and you can see it's starting to come together. I just want to sand until it's relatively flat, kind of hide that seam. The repair is not perfect, but it looks a lot better.